They have.
Okay.
Clarify. I do not use that magnifying. I use that magnifying glass and my readers.
Yes. But so vanity just look
When I
through.
started, I didn't need either.
So the males actually already separate these ones out, but the males, they have more plumose and tiny, so you can see they're like, actually we can look at them. Or wait, here, wait. And then I can just show you on the screen.
Yeah.
So these are they have more feathery and tiny. Okay, so. Alright, so this one is a male. So it has like feathery and tiny. And also are like the same length as its proboscis. So that's the proboscis where it sucks blood. And then these are just like other mouth parts.
That's a male, female.
That's a male.
Male.
Yes. And so they just feed on like nectar, other like carby liquids. And so yeah, so they have those in tiny, and then the long pelts. And then this one is a female. It's a different genus. It's in tiny are they're still a little bit feathery, but not as much. Well, actually, its leg kind of looks like a pellet.
Oh, this one looks
Yeah,
scary.
and so and there, so yeah, so that's a proboscis, and then that's the pelt. So the one that was long in the male is shorter. That's and mostly usually you can see like, and then if we do like